No, 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 absolutely not.
I up the above, God bless, love. I up the above, peace, love. Yes. Peace, respect. Yes. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Keem. Welcome to my content. No, I am from Jamaica and I'm a Jamaican. No, who I'm going to react to is Morissette, Amon, and the title of that song is Rise Up. No, she's among the greats who can sing fantastic. She's among the Mash, she's among Diana Ankulinova, and also Angelina Jordan. The first person who suggested this was your favorite island girl. She's from Trinidad as well. If you guys want to know about her, you can click on the description down below and check out her content. No, I think this is the second or the third time I'm gonna do a reaction to Morissette. So without further ado, guys, let us jump into the reaction. Wish more on this, guys, please. Wish more.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we go work it out. Mountain, 107.5. We can walk it out. Mountain. And I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the way.
Guys, goosebumps, and the song hasn't reached 1 minute as yet. Okay, 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 okay. Whoa.
The silence isn't quiet. It feels like it's getting hard to breathe. And I know you feel like dying. And I promise we'll take the world to its feet.
One word to describe, I gotta say, her voice. Magnificent. This is so thrilling.
We can walk it out. Mountains. And I'll rise up the day, and I'll rise up. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it
She's doing good,
1,000 times again.
bro. And she doesn't have any auto tune. She's just 1 billion. Like, bro, if I see her right now in person, I would probably faint. No, I can't take this anymore. Sorry, guys. I apologize for my outburst, but these music are just kind of a bit too much for me. What we literally have in Jamaica is dancehall and reggae, and trust me, we have dancehall artists in Jamaica right now who can, hit this high pitch and it's low pitch, but this kind of music right now is just way different from our culture music, and I'm literally thrilled. I'm thrilled. Guys, please suggest your favorite song that I should react to on Morissette. Trust me, I would love to do another reaction on her music. Trust me, guys. Wow. No, 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 absolutely not. What? Wow.
And I'll do it 1,000 times
Oh. Calm, bro. Just keep it calm. Just keep it calm, bro. Just keep it calm. Continue. This is just too much for me, guys. I swear. Yo. Guys, I'm literally feeling every note and every pitch she's on. What if I was at her actual performance where she's performing this song? I would faint. I would faint. Oh. Bro, that breathtaking. It is just, damn. Bro, where is she from? I mean, like, damn. I'm impressed, guys. I'm impressed.
On Wish 107.5.
Wow. Damn, whoa. Ah. Whoa. Absolute 10. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you reach thus far in this video, don't forget to drop your suggestion down in the comment section. I will try to see if I could do another reaction on her music. Trust me, I'm thrilled. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Calm, bro. Calm. Peace.